I know this build is bugged as hell, but go down already. Please. These hitboxes are so awful. Not now! I said not now! Leave it under the door!
I'm getting my stuff. Just need to grab a few things.
What a rat hole. So, that's your new guy? Damn, not a big of upgrade down here.
You know why I broke up with you? Because you're a pathetic loser with no meaning in your life.
I don't need it, bitch. Oh, I'm pathetic. Yeah, okay.
Like you're any better, bitch.
Dude, get out of my face!
Your face is about to not exist! Get up!
Hey, who are you? Hello, my beautiful freaks. Did you miss me? Oh, I know you did. Tonight we have a warrior from the mysterious planet Earth. Ugh, even the name sounds dirty.
What the fuck is going on? Where am I? May I offer my goddess a drink?
His opponent comes all the way from planet Gnid. Hello. Come to Zicky, big boy.
Ай, ну из рога Мегарута.
15 seconds, babies. Let the games begin! Am I dreaming?
Let's start from the beginning. Okay, eyes on me! 1,000 worlds! Each one's got its thing! We're at this one! And right now, we're on Planet Zero! This is where it happens! Intergalactic fight! Every world! Right here! No more battles. One champion per world. He loses, world's gone. Done. And Earth picked you.
Huh?
No pressure. Destiny, I guess. Oh, wait. Earth's been here before. 66 million years ago. Picked a wrong guy. Anyway, I'm Hokey, your bro for all of this. Now you gotta pick your item. And oh no! 10 seconds! Choose!
What the hell is this anime bullshit? Movement speed is always meta.
Ew! They gave you a sword and you picked shoes?
Nice.
We're gonna die because of sneakers!
Let's...
Move, Leo! Move, move! What the hell were you doing standing there like a mannequin in a closed door?
I was processing.
You have a strategy!
My strategy is...
That came right off.
No, don't touch it!
Hold still.
You're gonna spit on me? Don't you dare! He spit on me! On my injury! What kind of medical system is this?
It's healing slime. Just
It's moving.
wait.
Why is it moving? Make it stop!
That means it's working!
Go. I wanna go home. My bed. This stupid chair.
Stop the bleeding temporarily. You die. This is real. Die, your planet dies. Everyone you've ever known died. And I die too.
Hey, if this is a game and they gave me inventory to fight, then these sneakers aren't just shoes, right? They're a weapon. Gotta be power in them, some kind of...
Let me check the specs. Okay, so they appear to be super fast. Leo? Oh no! Well, that's -5 HP.
Okay, let's speedrun this shit.
Badass!
Hey! I'm coming for you! You wait and see! You hear me? Your ass is mine!
I'm not letting this slide.
Oh, go! What's that clock?
Death timer! Nobody wins in 3 minutes! They killed both!
Both?
Both!
Great! Just great!
Ah!
I did!
Crema, chica krótka, Josu Wraksa, Jorga Kriva.
I'm not dying today.
New ability?
There's a symbol.
Go!
Short legs. All that mass. Once he's down, stuck.
You have a plan?
I know how to beat him. Let's go.
Żegwar! Żokryta! Żosotrykryta! Żakiem żokryta kryt!
Did I win?
You won!
Cool. Can I have my arm back now?
Ladies and gentlemen, and everything in between, what a fight by our warrior in underwears, Leo! Now go, rest, heal, because your next battle is in 48 hours.
The combatants get dim.